The Y6 control tilt is a synchro tilt, meaning one of its features allows you to recline or move the back and seat independently in a 2-to-1 ratio, the back to the seat. This allows you to keep your feet planted on the floor as you recline, which is highly ergonomic. There are 3 easy adjustments. First, to adjust the seat height, you lift the lever up. To lower and then to raise to your optimal seat height. To adjust the tension, that's also located on the right-hand side of the chair. And there's 7 tension positions. You turn the knob clockwise in order to strengthen the tension and have more tension. And then turn it counterclockwise in order to reduce it to get your desired tension position. The tilt lock is located on the left-hand side of the seat. And there's 4 tilt lock positions. So to unlock the tilt lock, you rotate the knob counterclockwise. And then you free float the recline. There's 3 other positions to lock besides the upright tilt position. Again, to unlock it, it's counterclockwise, and to lock it, it's clockwise. Those are the 3 easy adjustments for the Y6 Synchro Tilt Control. I hope you enjoy this highly ergonomic control.